Good morning. another day, another vlog. Headed to the gym. Gonna do a little workout. I'm very fortunate that I have this gym to go to because, man, I need some normalcy. And then I think me and Melissa are going to head to the Salt Flats. So it should be a good time. And I had a crazy idea about hooking my GoPro up to the drone to get some seriously cool footage, because the drone I have, although it's awesome, it doesn't have the best image quality. The drone's way better, 4K, 60 frames a second if I want. The other drone is like 2.7K. But yeah, so either way, I think the Salt Flats would be dope. Figure, why don't you come with? We are at the gym. I have no idea what I'm gonna do today. Probably some upper body work. Yesterday I did conditioning. Melissa's here. Maybe I'll show you what I'm doing. So, the other day, I made a vlog and I was like, I don't know why I'm doing this. And I kind of know why I'm doing this. One, it's a major distraction, which is a good thing right now. I am riddled with anxiety, and the longer I can keep myself out of my own head, the better. Couple of things that are also helping. A few of my favorite YouTubers that do like photography and video put out some challenges, like some photo challenges. So one of the things I'm gonna do today is do the challenge. We made it, Salt Flats, and for the first time I've been here, it's salty and flat instead of covered in water, which is really cool. Brought the drone out. Melissa's walking out there. There's a lot of people here actually. It's pretty trippy. I really should have some sunglasses on because it's quite bright. But I'm also gonna try putting my GoPro on the drone because I think that'll look pretty awesome. GoPro on the drone. Okay, I've Jimmy rigged it up there. I don't know if this is even gonna work, but worth a shot, I guess. We'll see what happens here. Oh, the weight's too far forward.